Hi guys, it's Tracy, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be unboxing a new camera. I've been doing YouTube now for about 2 years, I think, and I've just been using my phone or my iPad, mostly my iPad. And so my son got his settlement from his car accident, which had happened a while ago, and he got me this camera. So I haven't opened the box. I just took and opened up the seal on the box. I haven't even pulled it out of the bag yet, but I'm super excited. I'm a little scared because I don't really know what I'm doing with a camera. So let's see. What I have on my eyes today is what I won in the giveaway, and I'll link the video right here if you want to see it. I have all the swatches up there. It's the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream palette. That's what it looks like. I've used it once, but it's a really nice formula. So far liking that. And then on my lips, I have the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip in Vitamin Beet. And then I just have it topped with a Tarte lip gloss that we had gotten in a BoxyCharm. And on my nails, Kokie nail polish in number 43 with number 63 on top. So I got some of these little things so I could show you shades in case you don't want to see it with the sparkles on the top. So this one here with this one here. Favorite nail polish ever. Okay, so let's open up the box here. I bought a bundle. I bought it on Amazon. And I bought the, let's see, first thing here, 2 memory cards. Ultra, SanDisk Ultra SD cards. I don't know anything. I don't know how much these hold. I don't know any of that. So I don't know how many I need, but we shall see. Let's see. This is a Universal Digital Slave Flash. No idea what this is. And this is a multi-coated filter kit, UV protective filter, CPL circular polarizer, filter, flow, fluorescent filter, and a filter wallet. No idea what those are or what to do with them. And then let's get the camera. So I got the Canon Rebel EOS SL2, and this is one that has the viewfinder that you can see. Comes with, let's see, whatever the lens is, and yeah, like I don't know anything about any of this stuff, but we'll open it up and look at it. I'm gonna have to definitely do some research, and there's a book on Amazon that I want to buy, and any tips you have for me as well. If you have this camera, let me know. I did purchase a protection plan with it as well, so if I drop it, break it, any of that, for 2 years, it'll be covered. Ooh, nice. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So you can actually see when you're filming. I was looking at another one and it didn't have that, and I'm just like, no, I gotta have that. So that's what it looks like. It's not too incredibly huge. And then that's the battery charger, a strap, a battery, cable, charging cable, and another lens, which, like I said, I don't know anything about anything. So this is all going to be trial and error. And then we have, a tripod. One of those ones that you can like snake around. And then it came with, this holder is a backpack type bag or holder. Oh, that's really cool. So it's like a little backpack, and you can have all your goodies tucked away and on the move. So that is what I got. That is the camera that I'm going to be trying to figure out. Any and all help will be greatly, greatly appreciated. Let me know these card things, like how many of these do I need? There's 2 of them that are 32 gigabytes. I guess that's what that means. 32. Is 2 enough? Do I need more? I know I need another battery because I always hear people saying that their batteries die, and I read somewhere it's like 4 hours to charge, but I'm going to get one on Amazon that's like a quick charge one, and it has 2 batteries with it, so then I'll have 3 batteries. But other than that, that's pretty much all I know. So please, any help, greatly appreciate it. If you want to like email me or Instagram me like DMs with tips, anything I need to know, please do. So that's going to do it for this video. Look forward to sometime in the future me filming with this and hopefully having better looking content. So that's going to do it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel. I hope you think about subscribing before you leave. Make sure to click the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I hope you guys all have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.